The SEC case is officially resolved, settled and behind us. This marks a new beginning, free from legal distractions. Our focus now is 100% on innovation and you, our community. We've been compelled to rebuild from the ground up, not as a setback but as an opportunity, to create something stronger, smarter and truly aligned with our founders' dreams. Our new ASH surveys, 3 times bigger than big, show 98.2% commitment from our core team. This isn't about hype, it's about building a vehicle that speaks through results. The engine runs smoothly after rigorous testing. Health and safety of our platform remain our priority. Sometimes, working silently is more powerful than loud promises. Expect realistic updates only when milestones are locked. No more flashy presentations or guesswork. We're delivering post-testing without pretense. Your patience deserves extraordinary opportunities and we're structuring everything to serve you first. Stay patient, confident, and united. We're here together, building a legacy to be proud of. One focused on people, not logos. When ready, it will transform your journey. We're chasing dreams with unmatched focus. The wheels are turning differently this time. Thank you for standing with us as we reform, restructure, and rebuild for the better. Subscribe for more future updates.